The Rashtriya Swasth Bima Yojana, which is in short we call it RSBY, actually is the only welfare scheme rolled out by the government of India, which is being implemented by the state governments. And at the moment it is only actually Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Kerala which is implementing. Challenges, one of the challenges with regard to RSBY, if you say the RSBY scheme itself is not really a very good one, because it has limitations, it has conditions. It says that only on hospitalization the scheme can be used, a worker can really get away, receive benefits. So that is a big challenge, because a lot of workers, 3 or 4 years we have been working with them and they are not able to really get the benefit when it comes to their health insurance or health needs. So that's one of the challenges. With regard to Jharkhand being one of the most or rather the state where a lot of trafficking, unsafe migration taking place, a lot of people come to Delhi and Mumbai, and right now there is a provision that this card can be divided. If it is 30,000 rupees, one card can have 10,000 and the other card can have 20,000, so that the person who goes out of Jharkhand can have that card, for example, so that she can use it. But it doesn't really happen. It doesn't really happen. But the most important thing for us is because of the trafficking issue, the most important thing would be to ensure that these workers who are being trafficked or migrating to Delhi, Mumbai get benefits, not only just RSBY but also the other benefits, social security benefits, for example. So right now the government of Jharkhand has initiated a red and green card, under which the workers have to be, they have to register themselves before they leave locally with the panchayat, and then the governments, wherever they are leaving, wherever they are reaching, the destination areas, also have to accept that these workers are registered in the locally, so therefore they also must register them wherever they reach so that they can give the benefits. But this is a big problem, because a lot of people, when they migrate, nobody knows, because they are just picked up on all of a sudden. So no person even the person doesn't know that she or he is being trafficked or who going to be trafficked. That's the situation. But we need to work on very clear-cut policies and mechanism to ensure that the workers who are migrating are protected, not only locally but also in the states wherever they are migrating to.